Like, it's super windy out here, man. Damn. So today's gonna be, you know what I mean, a quick video. You know, I got me some. So I got myself some Max Fire Elite Performance spark plug wires. So I'm planning to install some long tip headers. You know what I mean? So I want to make sure, you know, when I install the headers, you know, everything is fine. You know what I mean? Like right now, I had to change my battery. I might be installing that right now too as well. Cause right now you see, like, my truck is dead right now. Look at this, man. It's dead, and also that's why the smoke didn't pass. So like, I had smoke and didn't pass. Everything was fine. You know what I mean? It just, you know, the battery, that's what didn't pass. And also with the intake, I have an intake. I'll tell you guys that about later. You know what I mean? But this is the reason why, you know what I mean, got me some spark plug wires. Because, you know what I mean, I want to, you know, make sure everything's running good, you feel me, when I install the headers. So yeah, that's the plan right now. Yes, sir. So this is my stock. It might be windy, so windy right now. This is my stock wire plugs. I'll be replacing those. Yeah. Also, I'll be replacing the old battery, man. So yeah. So right now I'm gonna be replacing the battery. Once I replace the battery, I'll show you guys the process how to change your plug wires. So this is the plug wires I'm gonna be changing. You know what I mean? They're 8, 4 on this side and 4 on that side. You feel me? So you know what I mean. These are my stock headers. I'll be replacing them soon, hopefully. So I'm gonna take the battery off right now. I took everything off. Oh, man. So I'm gonna be installing the new one. This is the new one. So I already installed everything. I installed the new battery I need. So I'm gonna turn the car on if it works. So I'm gonna check if it's gonna turn on. Yes, sir. You're needing a new battery, man. It's super windy outside. So now I'll be installing the plug wires. So this is the plug wires that got the Max Fire Elite Performance. I got these plug wires at AutoZone. I picked them up at AutoZone. So yeah. I'll leave a link down below. You guys want to get them or something, you know what I mean? I'll pick them up. So this is your plug wires. So basically, you just want to wiggle it and pull it. It might be a bit tight. So basically, that's all, you know what I mean? You want to do the same thing, you know, when you're, damn, it's so windy, with your shield. So then you want to pull it the same. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you guys can see it. I just want to pull it. You know what I mean? So this is the stock ones. This is the stock ones. They're alright, you know what I mean? Nah, they're pretty bad. I mean, they're alright for stock, you feel me? So that's the first one you want to do. It's the same process for everything, you know what I mean? For example, like, let me do this one so you guys can see better. You just want to pull it. It might be tight, you feel me? I'm only using one hand, that's why. So, you want to pull it, wiggle it. Same thing under here, you see? Just want to wiggle it and pull it. You know what I mean? You want to do this process, you know what I mean, for everything, you know what I mean, same thing. And then yeah, that's all. That's, you know what I mean, I'm gonna show you guys one more time. It's pretty simple, you know what I mean. That might be tight, you feel me, so make sure to wiggle it, you know, like side to side, and then pull it. You know, right, I'm only using one hand. Then take the bottom off. It's super windy out here, man. Fuck. Hold up. You know what I mean? And make sure when you take them off, you want to make sure your car, you know what I mean, your truck is cooled down, you know what I mean? So like before, you know what I mean, you take them off, make sure, you know, your engine's cooled down, you know what I mean? You don't want to burn yourself, you know what I mean? So I'm going to take, my bad, I'm gonna take this side and I'll show you guys how to install, you know what I mean, do the next process. Well, I'm gonna be doing a boxing, you feel me? I already took off all the plugs that I had. Basically, these are the plugs. And yeah, that's all, you know what I mean? So these are the plugs. What I like about these plugs come with the heat shield. You know what I mean? So if you buy some without the heat shield, you could just take off your stock ones, you feel me? Your stock ones, just take them off, put them on in the new ones, you feel me? Simple. I'm not using the stock ones because, you know, it comes with the heat shield, you feel me, the new one. So yeah, so you only do that if, you know what I mean, you get some without the heat shield, you feel me? Just replace them with your stock ones, and that's all. So the next step, what you want to do is you want to put some electric grease over the sides. You want to take your heat shield off, you know what I mean, put a bit in here. So it comes with the, you know, comes with a little bit of, you know, electric grease. I just went and bought some just in case. You don't want to put too much though, you feel me? So, you know what I mean, you want to get your Q-tip. You know, you want to put a bit, you feel me? Not too much though, you feel me? Just a bit, you see? And then after you want to put it in the sides. You know what I mean? Not too much though, you feel me? And then the other side. So I'm gonna be doing the same thing for all, you know, all of them, you feel me? Same process. Yeah, that's all, you know what I mean? Pretty simple. Not that hard, you feel me? So yeah, man. So yeah, that's all, you know what I mean? Put them in the sides. You know, so, and of course, you know what I mean? You wanna put your heat shield back. So we're installing them right now. So basically you just want to put them back. You might hear like a little click. Maybe not. I don't know if you guys heard that little click. There you go. You install them pretty tight. And then you want to do the same thing with the bottom ones. Just make sure they're tight, you feel me? So basically, that's the process, you feel me? I'm gonna show you guys again. So you wanna get your wire, plug it very tight. You wanna hear like this click. After that, you know what I mean? You wanna get your bottom one and tight. So that's the process. You wanna do the same process for everything, you feel me? And yeah, that's all. I'll get you guys back. You know what I mean? I'm done. So I got everything installed. I got the wires installed, as you see. Make sure everything, you know what I mean, is tight. You know what I mean? And yeah, man, that's the process. I installed, you know, wire plugs, a new battery. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on right now. You know what I mean? See, everything is cool. You feel me? I try my best to record. You know, it's super windy out there, man. You feel me? So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna just run it for you know, a bit, cause I gotta run it though. You know what I mean? I gotta put some miles on it, cause you know, smoke didn't pass. The reason why the smoke didn't pass is cause my intake. I have an SOB intake, and you know, California, that won't pass. It will pass, but this is the thing you gotta do. You gotta go to you know, SOB, you know, the online thing, and then after that you gotta fill out, you know what I mean, some information, so you could get like a little sticker, so like, you know what I mean, the smoke guy will pass it. I already got like this little sticker thing in the mail. I think I have it. Hold up. So you feel me? I don't want to show all the information, but you go to the website, you have their intake, and you fill out like a little you just fill out, like, you know, your car information and the intake you have, and they're sending it out for free. Cause everything's stocked. Well, I have a muffler, you feel me? But other than that, you know, I'm chilling. Well, my next smoke, you know what I mean, I have someone, you know what I mean, that would pass me. Cause you know, I'm gonna have some headers, so. Cause I'm gonna have some headers, you feel me? And also the battery. That's the thing that was wrong, the battery. So yeah, that was a little sticker thing, and yeah, that's all, you feel me? I wasn't planning to install the plug wires, because I didn't want anything to go wrong during the smoke test. I mean, everything's fine, it's just the battery that didn't pass, but yeah, I'm chilling, man. So I'm gonna run it, you feel me? I'm gonna show a little bit of clips of it, and yeah, that's all, man. And also stay tuned, I'm gonna be dropping workout videos. I bought myself some 45 plates and a barbell. I'm gonna buy myself, you know, sometime later on soon, you know, a bench, so I could drop more videos and you guys could see my process. Make sure to follow my IG, you feel me? I always show my process, and then, you feel me, workout videos or anything I'm doing with, you know, I mean, my bodybuilding journey. So stay tuned for that, you feel me? And yeah, I'm running right now. You feel me? See what's up with it, and yeah. But something feels so different. Not just because I had any, you know, those little sparks and wires. I don't know, something feels different. Either it's good or bad, shit. But nah, it runs good, man. No lie, I feel I've seen like a little bit difference. No lie, I don't know, because you know when you start something new, your mind is like, you know what I mean. But nah, accelerate's good. Mostly when it went to 40 and, you know, I usually go up to 30 and then, you know what I mean, hit it. But nah, it's pretty dope. It's just so much traffic. Come on, man, we out here in Mexico, you feel me? Oh my, accelerate's better. I don't know if it's just me, I'm tripping, I don't know. Fuck, I'm gonna get myself killed, fuck it. Oh. So everything worked out pretty good. I feel like it made a big difference. I don't know if it's just me, because you know, when you install something, you know what I mean, like your mind fucks with you, like, oh my, you feel me? Right now I'm gonna hit the gym, you feel me? I'm right here, you know, take my currency, you feel me? I'm about to hit the gym right now. I'll show you guys more clips because my phone didn't have enough space, so I'm gonna show you guys, you know, more clips right now after I'm finished working out. But man, yeah, I feel like it did me a little bit difference. I'm not sure. I don't know, because I had a new battery, because my battery was dead. Every time I used to go somewhere, like, it used to die, so it's like, fuck. But yeah, man, I'll show you guys more clips, and also stay tuned for those videos, you know what I mean, those workout videos I'm about to drop out. My water, you feel me? I'm gonna take my quarantine, you feel me? I haven't taken pre-workout for like a month now, so it's like, fuck. I'm gonna order some, you feel me? And stay tuned for those workout videos. So we're back, you feel me? I couldn't record, you know, last night, so this is the next day, you feel me? I'm gonna run it right now. gives it a better performance, you feel me? Not like crazy ass horsepower, but damn, runs pretty good though. It's crazy. Oh fuck, man. Kids out there, stay safe. You feel me? No, for real. Y'all youngsters out there, stay safe out there, man. Man, but I'm not trying to run here. Fuck that. But nah, man, it's pretty good. Good performance. I don't see anything wrong with this, so you feel me? Going up the hill, you feel me? Oh man. Come on, bro. Go, go, go. You got this. You got this. You got this. Could you make it? I'm gonna go a little bit back. Oh no, you got this. Damn, man. This trick on my ears. Dad, man, with the muffler. But no, everything runs good, you feel me? This trick runs pretty good. So that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. It made a big difference. Maybe, yes. I mean, the performance is much better, in my opinion. It felt a little bit different. I'm not really sure because I changed the battery. I mean, the battery's not gonna, it's not gonna, make a big difference. It's just my car wasn't really running good because of the battery. You know what I mean? It was dying. But yeah, I feel like it did made a big difference. Not like big difference, but it made a big difference with the performance, in my opinion. So yeah, so stay tuned for those long headers. I'm gonna be installing some long headers and some wide pipes because I'm gonna be installing, long headers. So I gotta replace the wide pipe. Stay tuned for that video. You know what I mean? That's why, I had to replace, the plug wires, you feel me, to get better performance. And if you guys want to cop them, I'll put a link in the bio, you feel me? So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and like. And follow my IG for updates, you feel me? And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and God bless.